Welcome to Going Guitar. We have Sam Fender here. Yes, a favorite here on Going Guitar. I really like his style, his song. You can clearly hear when he sings. He has his DNA in his music there, and when it comes to voice and also the sound overall. This one is called Treadmill. Okay, very straightforward song. We're gonna work with one string pattern and pretty simple chords. Only 4 actually, so very simple. Let's go into it. So you can see here, no need for any capo. We have first E we're gonna learn. So that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord is A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have 2 bar chords. The first one is F sharp minor. You place a bar, your index finger, on the 2nd fret, and you push down all strings there. So that will be that, and then you're gonna add 4th on A and 4th on D. So F sharp minor and C sharp minor finally, where you place the index finger now on the 4th fret as a bar. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up, all strings except for the last E string in the bass, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th on B. Alright, so if you go to the first chord E, one strumming round will be about down, up, down, up. That is one round. Down, up, down, up. Notice I've tried to hit the extra kick or power or down to the 2nd down. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And I also do that in the way that I go all the way down here on the higher strings to get that down. So all the other actions down, up in the beginning, also the last up. I play more on the bass strings, but that 2nd and final down, I go all the way down to the higher strings. So one string around again. That. Alright, so let's go into the song. We're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play E, 8 string rounds, then A, 4, F sharp minor, 4, C sharp minor, 4, then E, 4, A, 4, and F sharp minor, 4. It's a long one, but that's the only one you're gonna play for the verse. I play that in the introduction to the tutorial, so we don't have to go through that again. Then after that one and only round, you're gonna come to this first pre-chorus, Sean and Rosie. That's where on the lyrics, about 50 seconds in. What you're gonna have to do now is to play 1 down on E, then 1 down on F sharp minor, and then A. Play like that, so down, down, up, or if you want, you can play down, up, down, up. It's up to you. If you play that, and then you're gonna add on 3 more rounds of that strumming on that A. Considering all that being one corporation round, you're gonna play for 3 rounds. So E, F sharp, A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and again. Rounds, that is a pre-chorus, and then finally you hit the chorus at 1 minute and 3 something seconds in. All these little feelings, that's where on the lyrics. What you're gonna play now is E4 A4, and that's it. 2 rounds back and forth. So E4 A4 E4 A4. That is the chorus, and that is the first round. Now let's go into the second round of everything. It's just repetition, guys. No need to change anything there. So play exactly the same way we just learned. Then you're gonna come into the bridge part after the second chorus. It happens about 2 minutes and 4 seconds in. And what you're gonna play here is 1 down on the following chords: E, F sharp, A, and then you can hit the B note on the 2nd fret A string. And all that comes with 1 down only, so. And then you're gonna start to strum. You're gonna play E, 8 string rounds. Then A4, F sharp minor 4, C sharp minor 4, E4, 4, and finally F sharp minor 4. And that is the bridge / solo part. Then after that, you're gonna come into the final chorus. You're gonna play that in the same way as you played the previous ones, but it's twice as long. Instead of playing just 2 rounds of E4, A4, you're gonna double up for 4 rounds instead. And then after that third chorus, we have the outro part left. What you're gonna play there is to stay on that E and play for 16 full rounds of the strumming. I'm not gonna show you that now, it's too long, but 16 rounds of that E, and then you're gonna play another 1 down of the following chords: E, F sharp minor, and A. And that A ends this song from Sam Fender. It's called Treadmill, and it's a great one. So very straightforward when it comes to strumming. 4 chords only, pretty easy chords. Okay, 2 bar chords, but still only 4 chords to handle totally in a song. It's not too much. So give it a shot. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.